Good evening. I'm Nicole Andrea Sira from Asia Pacific College of Advanced Study. Kasama po natin si Mr. John Paul Dilio.
Good evening.
First question is, can you share your journey of becoming a marketing professional? And what sparked your interest in this field? And how did you pursue it?
Una, pagka sa marketing, kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa bilang isang sales marketing, pag-aaralan mo kung ano yung dapat mong pag-aralan, ano yung dapat.
What specific skill do you believe are essential for success in marketing? And how have you developed or honed this skill throughout your career?
Una, hindi ko talaga kumbaga, yung alam yung linya mo agad bilang isang marketing. Kasi kailangan meron kang public, yung parang may charisma sa isang tao. Kumbaga,
the next question is, in your opinion, what are the key components of a successful marketing strategy? And how do you ensure alignment with overall business goals?
Sa key component of successful marketing strategy, pag sa motor, normal na ginagawa namin dyan is flyerings. O namimigay kami ng mga parang promo, yung mga
marketing trends, tools, and technologies. Can you give an example of how you implemented a new trend or tools in your work?
Siguro para sa akin, alam ko dapat kung ano yung, kasi sa motor company, hindi lang naman isang motor company. Paano kung malalaman tawag ito, yung sa tawag ito, competitors ko na ibang company na nagtitinda din ng motor. Siguro yun yung ginagawa namin, iniikutan namin lahat. Iniikutan namin yung mga other.
Can you discuss a time when you faced a setback or encountered a challenge in your marketing career? How did you overcome it and what did you learn from the experience?
Minsan kasi wala ka talagang mabenta. Kasi syempre, depende rin yan sa mga, alam mo yun, sa tao na, ay ganito, maganda si ganito, maganda yung binapamigay ni ganitong motor company. So, talagang dating yung time na, meron kang time talaga doon na wala kang mabenta. So, tulad nito.
And finally, what advice would you give the aspiring marketing professional who are looking to build a successful career in this field?
Maiano ko na sa kanila, dun sa mga gustong maging sales professional marketing. Sa una, mahirap talaga yan. Pero kung gusto mo nga yung ginagawa mo, baga lahat yan